Good day everyone. Today I will report about the skeletal system. The skeletal system is a framework of a body made up of all bones and joints. It provides shapes, support and protection for the body, allows movement when muscle pull on bones, produces blood cells in the bone marrow, and stores important minerals like calcium and phosphorus. One of the examples is the long bones. These are the bones that are longer than they are wide. They support the weight of the body and help movement. Example, femur, humerus, or the upper arm bone. The second is the short bone. These bones are nearly equal in length, width, and thickness. They provide support and stability with a little movement. Example is the carpals and tarsals. The third is the flat bones. These bones have a thin, flat shape and often provide protection for internal organs and surface for muscle. Example is the skull, ribs, and sternum. Regular bones. These bones have complex that don't fit into other categories. They protect internal organs and provide support. Example, vertebrate, spinal cord, mandible, o jawbone. Sesame bones. These are small round bones embedded with tendons. They protect tendons and improve their mechanical movement. Example, patella o kneecap. That's all.